Hey there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. Today we're out here at Infiniti. We're doing a Q50. This is the Luxe. The Q50 Luxe. There's the window sticker there. We did another fitment on the Q50, the Red Sport, the 400, and this is going to be on the Luxe. Here's the front of the car. You can see where the factory plate goes. Ours is going to mount in the just below that. It'll be lower center. 2 factory screws left and right of center that we're going to use, and that's where it's going to go. Turn it over to Mike. And yeah, fortunately we do have a couple factory fasteners here.
All right. Thanks, Steve. So, and like Steve said, we're going to be removing 2 factory screws. They're have a 10mm head on them, and they're an actual bolt, like with machine threads. Makes it kind of nice. So we're going to take. We will not be reusing these factory bolts. So we can take them out, and we're going to set them off to the side. It'll be a little bit too short. We're going to take these out. They're out, and then we're going to take our base plate. We're going to be using 2 spacers to take up a little bit of a gap, and so we're going to take the bolt through the base plate, spacer on top, and then go ahead and stick it on and in there. And then you can see there's just a little gap there that we want this bracket to sit so that it's even with this. So you're going to start one side and then start the other, and that's real important. Don't try to put one in, tighten her down, put the other one in, because it can sometimes they'll tighten crooked or something. But as you can see, if you just start them, it'll be just fine. Take your 10mm socket, start tightening them up. And again, these are really nice because they're a machine bolt, so they thread really nice. All right, and you can tighten these up pretty good, because again, like these are a bolt. And there you go, and that's all there is to it. To get that on there, then you're going to take your front plate. You're going to start it into the holes, pull the pull pin, slide it until it locks into place, and there you go, you're done.
Okay, and make sure from time to time to lubricate your pull pin, especially if you're in a climate where you get a lot of snow. And also another very important thing is to make sure that if you go through a car wash that you remove that front plate, because we've had some customers that have done that without remembering to take the front plate off, and they will get damaged. Those rollers that goes over the front of your car and down, it's heavy, so it will damage that. So make sure you remove the front license plate there. And then here's how it looks. It sits up underneath the factory one there, and then your license plate will go right on the front of that, and you are all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.